Here you go, guys. I picked up the correct orange. This is Chrysler Hemi orange. The ones that match my seat the most, opposed to the other one that I picked up. That is orange, red orange. I'm gonna show you guys in a few seconds. Here's the difference. I thought that the gloss orange red would be a bit more orangey, but it wasn't. Here's how it looks after the first coat of stripping. I'm gonna clean this off, scrape it off with the wire brush, and apply a second coat and wait 15 minutes. Here in the third coat, I took some saran wrap, and after I applied the paint stripper, I added this, give it another 15 minutes so it can, you know, all the fumes and everything can't escape, and it works better since they no longer make good quality paint strippers like they used to due to all the chemicals that they say is bad. Here's after one coat. Trick I learned, put the spray can inside very, very hot water in between coats. So I'm gonna wait 15 minutes, then I'm gonna come back and hit it a little bit more. I'm not gonna show you guys all four corners because it's the same thing. So yeah, so first coat down. Here you go, guys. After 4 heavy coats, that's without the clear, I'm gonna give this about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna wait till it dries, apply the stickers where I want them, and then I'm gonna hit it with 3 coats of clear over it. Here you go, guys. I installed one of the stickers. I did kind of rush. There's no clear on it yet. I'm gonna clear it after, but I'm gonna tell you guys, you gotta leave the paint. I was able to salvage it at the beginning. It was like when I went to peel this off, it was coming off with the paint. That's not a good thing, so I just left it there. You know, I squeezed it. I squeezed the sticker harder, and I came back like 45 minutes later, and I was able to pull it off without it ripping the paint. But I'm gonna advise you guys to let this cure overnight, and then, you know, grab and pull the stickers. Okay, guys, so finally I got the 2K in the mail. The one I had was sitting for too long and it popped. When I press this in, it's a 2-part. So you have to press this, release the hardener, and then mix the can good. But now let's see, I gotta hit it with, let's do 4 coats. You want to do light coats. Coat 1. This is after 2 coats. Here's the finished product. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'll appreciate it. Thank you.